Well, hey, y'all. Welcome to my shop again. We're gonna take you on a little shop tour. Alrighty. Well, I just got out of old Fred there, my 51 Willis. We'll look around the outside of the shop here. Old 69 towed Myers dune buggy there. I torched that old sign out when I first started making knives and didn't know to say bladesmith and said knifesmith. Been hanging out here ever since. All right, head on in. My little playhouse here. It's the main workbench over here on this side. Got bandsaw, grinders down this side. Around on this side here, and we got our Harbor Freight mini mill and drill press and our surface grinder with a belt conversion. In here we got our books to give us some inspiration and ideas of what to make. Over here's our little soldering station for soldering guards and other different aspects of knife making. Let's head on out to the back. Here, got the back door. Get some lights on. There we go. There's the power hammer and the 20-ton hydraulic jack, air over hydraulic jack press. My Harbor Freight press that I built. My Harbor Freight wood buster that I made into a press. Still gas powered. We're gonna work on that one of these days. Here's my big forge. And pull them bricks out of the side of it there and open up a 12-inch long section of it, 2 inches wide, and I can go in from the side if I want to forge multiple pieces. Turn around here. There's the old anvil that I rewelded the top and fixed, and this one here I've had in that same spot for well over 20 years. It's buried, the stump's buried in the ground about 1.5 feet. Small post vise makes it much easier for grinding. And this whole thing here, some kind of a weight, but it works great. It's nice and flat. Had to stand it up for Thomas when he was out here. I've got a spot for a hardy hole on one side, and then I've got a yeah. Now I'm being just stupid goofy. Pritchett hole. For my Pritchett hole, when I'm punching, it spins on one hole. We got this part of the shop back here is where the dune buggy was sitting, but I kind of took up my room on it. And be able to work on the vehicles back in here and all that. We got our 1890 Landis harness stitcher for making sheaths with that I pulled out of the scrapyard and rebuilt. Our welders, plasma cutter, welding table and stuff. Heat treating section, got the heat treating oven down here, and then toaster oven up there for tempering in. Then we can come back here. What you guys see at the wall, it looks funny. Well, that's because it's an old school bus that's been enclosed in the shop in here. We got it set up for doing some woodworking and stuff like that. I used to sit in here and forge. Yep. A school bus to forge in. Alright. That's pretty much what I got to work with, other than a lot of hand tools up there and the other benches and stuff. Well, thanks for the visit to my shop and having a walk through So you can see sort of what I'm doing around here, what I got. Now we're going to get busy and start making stuff here. All right. Bye, y'all. Some more, huh? Where you going? Huh? Where you going, Sammy? Huh? You want to go to the house? Huh? Well, Mr. Sampson here. He's just old.